thing I've done to start this project is you will see those two bolts right there. That is for your grill guard. The way this is gonna mount to your tractor, you have this wedge set up right here that will mount right here. All right, so like I was saying, we start with getting the subframe piece mounted up there. It is a little heavy, but get that wedge up on the top, right in the center. You'll know because the bolts will be aligned in the hole. Then that long pin with the linch pins. And again, it might take a little finagling to figure out exactly where it needs to be. Linch pin goes in the opposite side as well. Now we're going to tighten down our wedge. And you shouldn't really need any tools. You should be able to do most of this by hand. Nice and tight. Next, we already color coded these for you. Blue to blue. Green to green. Now our subframe piece is on there, ready to go. All right, so next we're gonna take the nice long drive shaft, and you gotta slide it on the front first before you can hook it up in the rear. Just find where those splines line up. And then in the back, it's just like any other PTO shaft. It has a collar on it that will slide. Get it on your stub shaft, slide that collar back. And it'll snap in. Give it a little shake test, make sure it's not going to come back on. The next thing that's going to happen is we're going to hook the front of our drive shaft up to the actual snowblower. So what we're aiming to do, we'll remove our little silver pieces for now. These come out for now. We're trying to get this right here to go under here. We want this pin in that slot. And then this lower pin will wind up in the lower slot.
Okay.
But whenever you first pull into it, before you pick it up or you do anything else, make sure you hook up that drive shaft. So before you pick it up, before you do anything, there's not a lot of clearance here. So get that drive shaft on before you pick it up. So after you pick up the snowblower, you have to install your little side clips. And this left side seems to be a little tight, but just applying a touch of pressure on the side and picking it up seems to let it slide right on in. Just like
there you go. Seat it on the pin.
After you get your pins in, you have a little kickstand here for whenever you take it off. Slide that up, get it out of the way, then let it on down, relieve that hydraulic pressure, and you got the hoses for the chute, again, color coded, red and yellow. You ready to go move some snow?